Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka Deputy Commissioner Jongke East Khasi Hills District ka Kong Isa Wanda Lalu ka Laipo Tarik Unai Leber Arhajar Arpuwe ka Lapilipaj ba ya umat hapdeng jong ka Khandai Lat ka Don ya ka Dak jong ka Kti Bat Balaburu ya Ukunja Jingthong Marple Plan kum ka Dak ban Pensngotho Shekipaj ba Nong Shong Shnong jong ka Jilla ya ka Jingdon Kam ban Sumar Sukher ya ki Saudong Saukun jong ka Mai Mariang ha ka Jingple ya uni umat Leidan Langru Ujiwat Waswani Ubalong Utrai jong ka Jiwa Resort Ubalayatho Baya uni umat Lashna da ka Bapendut Pisa Hadu Lai Po Hajar Tingka
It speaks itself about it.
So what's the cost of this project?
Oh, this cost is nothing. All the shopkeepers have given me some donations here and there. This costed me around from Calcutta we got it made. It costed me around 30,000. This is a Japanese maple. It signifies to protect the environment. It's made of acrylic.
Acrylic.
Yeah. And we've struck it well because we thought we have got a lot of flowers here also, you can see. And these flowers, we are getting worried. People are stealing the flowers. So I don't want them to steal. If they want, they can ask for me. So I want all the shopkeepers to come forward, put their hand together. We made a pilot project down a little bit near Broadway. We have put flowers there and some lights. So we are sitting down with all the shopkeepers how to go ahead with the government. And government give us permission to put the lights. Then we can have a small advertisement in every lamp. Like someone can donate for his father, remembrance of my father, a lamp. Or shopkeeper can say this lamp is maintained by this shopkeeper. And we can go ahead, the whole city will be lighted up. And the government will not have to spend also. They have to just give us a permission. And everyone, they give an advertisement in the pole also. Like that we are working out, let's try. What's wrong in trying, God give me the strength, I can continue trying my best. Every day means 4-5 boys, they take watering and all these things. And once a week, we go here and then clean. We go to many localities and try wherever we find time. Like yesterday, we went to golfing. We did golfing, cleaning drive a little bit. A lot of people are joining hands together. I have seen localities are very clean. Only the problem is that the crowd which comes from outside, they litter and go. So we call it the moving crowds, They come and they litter and go. So I think in villages and in the churches and temples, they should tell them when you go to Shillong, don't litter, take a plastic bag, put your litter and come back. Somewhere education outside, because when I see the Khandai Lat and all that, or Barabaja, it's quite dirty there. I think so. And even our local government should put fine for littering or something.